Fix Microsoft Teams error code CAA301F7 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Clear Teams cache. Accumulated app data can disrupt Teams' ability to sign in, and wiping the cache provides a fresh environment for the app to operate. Delete the contents of the folders. Fix 2. Remove Teams credentials. Locate and remove any stored credentials related to Microsoft Teams. Restart Teams and re-enter your login details. Fix 3. Disable the firewall. A strict firewall can block Teams' access to the Internet, and turning it off briefly might allow the app to authenticate properly. Try using Microsoft Teams again. If that didn't work, Fix 4. Run in compatibility mode. System compatibility issues can affect Teams' login process, and running the app in compatibility mode might bypass these conflicts.